Hang in there, guys, we're almost done. If I haven't before, I'd like to take this time to apologize for all the different camera angles I got you guys going through. I got you guys looking at. Alright, so I said polishing was next. Before we take it to the polisher, or the polishing motors, we need to kind of sand it down, even it out a little bit. The solder, when you solder, the heat kind of does a bunch of different things to the metal. And the best thing to do is just run the sanding disc, like I run the sanding disc over the letters. And one of these, these are blue, I'm not sure what they're called, I guess rubber wheels on the sides, the back. You know, just kind of do that before you take it to the polishing motors. I'm going to take it to the lapidary motor, which is a spinning disc motor, cuts like a knife through the letters on top, the sides, and then take it to the buffing wheels. So let's do that next. I'm just going to rough it up, and then from here I'm going to take it to the lapidary.